Hello friends, as you all know, Corona time and we people are facing a lot of problem regarding our businesses, our jobs. With the grace of the God, we have got the permission to open our office, but again there are a lot of challenges regarding spare parts and donor drives. But still, those cases we can do without donor drive. We are trying to do them, and we are picking hard drive from homes, so we have some good coordination with our some associates, so they support us. Fortunately, this drive I have picked up from IIT Delhi, and because I am residing in somewhere in Malvinagar, so I have picked it myself, and I have went to the this drive to me on the gate number 4 gate over there. And as we told you, we do the things transparently. Sometime we have questioned what transparent you are doing, so let me show you what transparent we are doing. First of all, I have received this hard drive yesterday. Today we have sanitized this hard drive. Now, because we want to work on it, so it is a USB hard drive actually. So first of all, I will try to connect with the my USB port of the machine. Then I will see any sound, anything is there inside or not. So let me connect first through USB. So sound you have heard, it is the USB PCB sound, means the system has detected any USB bridge over there, but the hard disk is not spinning. There is no vibration in the hard disk. So now I have to take permission from our customer to open this hard drive. Let me talk to my valuable customer to have the grant the permission to open the hard drive internally, means physically. We go into the clean room and we'll see what kind of the issue internally on the drive, because heads are parked on the platter. If during that process heads are get damaged, sometime hard disk may be detected, but what time it will be stop working, nobody knows. So what we do, first of all we will release the heads, then we'll see the hard drive working. Because we clone the hard drive immediately, we don't take the we do not take the risk. If data is shorter side or lower in volume, then we'll do it very nominal cost. But if the heads are having the issues, then we need to change the head, and that will be the costly affair. So let me take the permission from my customer. I have to grant the permission to open the hard drive, and after that we will proceed and we'll show you further the progress of this hard drive. Thank you so much. Actually we remove this packing from this screws, so that here we remove outside from this place, it's clean room. So outside the clean room we have removed these packings so that the glue do not stick on our tools. So now let's open the screws. I have to wear the gloves first, because this is dead tissues of my skin may fall on the platter, that will damage the hard disk. And there is the only way, because it is very close to RAM. So let's move the platter bit by force. If it is done, then I will be more happy, but I don't think. Yes, it is done. So now we have to check the head's condition, so that we can proceed further. it might be very much possible because of the stacking of the head. If something has happened with the heads, so head might not be read the data, or they can not perform as per the normal hard drives conditions. So we have to inspect plater first, sorry, head first. So normally what we'll do, we go to the our microscope, and there I'll check. This is not a kind of inspection by which we can 100% sure the condition of the platers. So condition of the heads. So now I have to go through with the my microscope. So I'm not able to show you the microscopic conditions. As far as the heads are concerned, they are looking good downside, but as far as the upside is concerned, that we cannot check very perfectly. So we will try first if it is being initialized. So there you can see some particle is dropped. That is the risk actually, even though we are using 2 filters clean room, but it, it is a data recovery chances. So as we told you, during this pandemic, with the grace of God and the permission of the administration, we are able to serve you even, and we are very much thankful to the government authorities, as we do not have more staff inside and we are safe to corona. We already been vaccinated too, and we have very good immunity as well, because we use some wellness products. These products enhance our health also. So in future you can see, or we are already on that kind of things, and it is a grace of God, Shri Hari, by which
Complete.
now screw has been completed. Let me fix them. So hope for good for my customer. Now you can see that there is no PCB on it. So I have removed the USB PCB. Now I will connect the SATA PCB, because data recovery system has SATA connectivity. USB it is having, but the management, the way we handle the hard drive, that is very good on the SATA. So let's go to it. So now I have transferred the ROM of this. This is the native PCB of this hard drive. Now as you can see, the data recovery port is being connected with the SATA. So this is the compatible SATA PCB to this USB, and let me please allow me to fix this PCB to this patient hard drive. And now I have to screw when head got stuck, our experience is all the heads will not be in situation to read very good conditions, but we only come to know this whenever we use our data recovery system or tool, which is PC3000. And let's check power on. Drive is ready. Due to the screen recorder, my machine become slow, so my apologies. Whenever we are doing some data recovery, we don't do anything with the hard drive surface area. We do in a lot of things in the RAM. So now I am working with the RAM, so I will load the loader from service area to RAM only, and whatever I will do some software correction and other correction we will do in RAM only, in order to perform the things on safer side. So now I have to check the drive ID. Yes, we got the drive ID, and now I have to enter into the normal mode. Everything is we are doing in RAM only. We are not doing anything on the physically on the hard drive. So let's create a new task. Actually I was trying earlier also, but it has been not done. So as of now I can read all the sectors, but how does the heads are performing, that is my main concern. So now let's build the head map. Head After that, if we are not able to serve customer with the data and any file is fall under the bad head, then next option is just change the head. Again I am telling you, a head replacement is not the guarantee of the data recovery, it is a possibility. So in this case 8 heads are there, and now I'm starting the cloning. So cloning is good. Head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 7, they are doing well. So let's wait for cloning completed. I think the speed of cloning is not that much good. No, it's so good. We are getting good speed here. 99 MB. So I hope it will be finished in day or two. So we have to wait. Means case has been done. So we are lucky enough when such a pandemic situation, this case is, after fixing some firmware issues, we are able to fix it. And as I told you on earlier video, an early stage of this video, that if heads are not damaged, then we will serve our customer a very reasonable price. So whatever we are doing transparently, we are showing to our customer and our followers, those who are following our channel. So I hope you have learned something from this. If you love it, please share and subscribe. Thank you so much.